Hey everyone, so today we're talking about the best settings for your blow dryer. And just as a heads up, this is a blow dryer that I do sell on my website, shop.thesalonguy.com. It has the ionic technology. It's great for traveling. You can fold it like this. It comes with the nozzle right here, which is a magnetic attachment. And it also comes with a diffuser, which is a much needed tool for when you're blow drying. And here it is right here. So you know it's authentic. There it is. All right, so this is something that I get asked about all the time. The comments are flooded. Oh, is, high heat bad for my hair? Should I use low heat? Should I use just cool air? Look, I'm gonna debunk all of these crazy claims and things out there. I, as a professional hairstylist for over 30 years now, have always used high heat, full speed when blow drying. The only times where I don't is when I'm using the diffuser to, scrunch kind of wavy hair, curly hair, but that's like a handful of times. It depends on the situation. Sometimes I'll use cool air on super thick, coarse, dry hair, wavy going into straight, just to kind of seal that cuticle even more, and that's about it. So, I mean, as far as being afraid of what heat setting to use, what speed setting, it's not really the heat. Okay, it is the heat, but it's not specifically just a blow dryer that's going to, or the heat that's going to damage your hair. It's how you're using the blow dryer. So for example, let's just take this popular TikTok hairstyle. This is one of my brushes. You can see there's my logo right there, my ionic round brush. And let's just say I do this, okay? I'm going to take the hair. I'm not gonna turn the dryer on now, it's gonna be too loud. And I just sit there like this, right? I put the nozzle right up to the hair. I'm sitting there with this brush, 5 seconds, 10 seconds. I'm starting to see smoke. The fire department shows up and it's a big disaster, okay? If this is you, then this is where the problems start. You take this blow dryer off and you just yank that hair. This hair is smoking, it's singeing hot. It's how you used the tools is what's causing the damage, not the actual heat itself. What I do, when I blow dry hair, right, first thing I do is I just go with the brush and get the knots out like this. Make sure there's no knots in the hair, okay? I'm brushing the knots out, and when it's wet, there usually aren't really many knots. But let's just say, I got the knots out now. I'm gonna wrap the hair, and I'm gonna blow dry it and pull down and remove the dryer, right? Let's lock the hair in place, like so. Hit it with the heat, 1, 2, and then I'm gonna pull away. Go back, okay, round brush, 1, 2, and go back. Go on to other section. So what I'm doing is I'm doing this, okay, I got it locked in, 1, 2, and then I'm gonna pull away. So how I'm doing that is I'm doing it in sections, and I'm doing it where the brush is constantly moving. I will hardly ever have this on the hair like this for like 4 seconds, 5 seconds. And I know a lot of people do that, and that's what's causing your hair to burn, to break, to have, damage. And it's actually, an issue because you're not using the blow dryer the right way. Here's another example, okay? Let's just take this mannequin head. This is someone, who has a bit longer hair. I'm gonna switch to my larger round brush and watch this. Full speed ahead, high heat. The thing is that I'm constantly keeping the brush and the blow dryer moving. Okay, keeping it moving. Moving and grooving. Now, is the hair hot? Yes. Is it warm? Yes. Is it burning my hand? It could if I just, keep it on there. But that's the difference between if I just hold this like this, I'm burning the hair right there. You don't want to do that. If I'm constantly keeping everything moving, like so, then I'll wrap it around, hold it there for a second. 1, 2, all right, and now keep it moving. There we go. Beautiful. So now I've got a beautiful blow dry right there, a nice soft piece. Yes, the hair is gonna feel warm. However, it's still in very, very good. Look how beautiful and smooth that is. It's because I used the right tool, all right? If I wanted extreme smoothness on this, or I wanted to maybe soften it or flatten it down a bit, I would maybe use cool air for the last minute. I would use like a cool air setting and just smooth it out even more, but that's it. So, on my blow dryer, right here, it does have a cool setting. It has a slower speed setting. It has a full speed setting. All right, it does have the ionic technology, so you're drying the hair quicker, and it's actually seeking out the negative ions and making them positive, which is actually preventing less damage to the hair, and it's helping make the hair feel better when you're blow drying. So, all in one, basically, in this blow dryer. It's only available in the United States because of the voltage differences outside of the US. But yeah, so it has all the settings, and if this is something that debunked what you were thinking, use high heat, full speed ahead. Don't be afraid of the blow dryer. Again, it's how you use it. So let me know if you found this video helpful. Use code YouTube20, that's YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.